हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज मैं आपको बता रही हूँ हिंदी के बारे में। बताने से पहले मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। इस तरह आप तमाम वीडियोस आसानी के साथ हासिल कर सकेंगे। और एक बात याद रखिए, अगर आप वीडियो क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ पूरी देखिएगा, वरना बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप स्किप कर देते हैं। चलिए वीडियो के जाने बढ़ते हैं। हिंदी हिंदी देवनागरी ISO हिंदी और मोर प्रिसाइजली मॉडर्न स्टैंडर्ड हिंदी देवनागरी ISO मानक हिंदी इज एन इंडो आर्यन लैंग्वेज स्पोकन chiefly in North India. Hindi has been described as a standardized and Sanskritized register of the Hindustani language, which itself is based primarily on the Khariboli dialect of Delhi and neighborhood areas of northern India. Hindi, written in the Devanagari script, is one of the two official languages of the Government of India, along with the English language. It is an official language in 9 states and 3 union territories and an additional official language in other 3 states. Hindi is also one of the 22 scheduled languages of the Republic of India. Hindi is the lingua franca of the Hindi belt and to a lesser extent other parts of India, usually in a simplified or pidginicized variety such as Bazar, Hindustani, or Haflong Hindi. Outside India, several other languages are recognized officially as Hindi but do not refer to the standard Hindi language described here and instead descend from other dialects such as Awadhi and Bhojpuri. Such languages include Fiji Hindi, which is official in Fiji, and Caribbean Hindustani, which is spoken in Trinidad, Tobago, Guyana, and Suriname. Apart from the script and formal vocabulary, Standard Hindi is mutually intelligible with Standard Urdu, another recognized register of Hindustani, as both share a common colloquial base. As a linguistic variety, Hindi is the fourth most spoken first language in the world. After Mandarin, Spanish, and English, Hindi alongside Urdu as Hindustani is the third most spoken English language in the world, after Mandarin and English. Region pronunciation Hindi, native to India, region northern eastern, western and central India, Hindi belt. Native speakers L1 speakers, 322 million speakers of Hindi and various related languages reported their language as Hindi 2011. Language family Indo-European, Indo-Iranian, Indo-Aryan, Central, Western, Hindustani Hindi. Early forms Sharasani, Prakrit, Surasani, Apabharsma, Old Hindi. Dialects C. Hindi languages. Writing system Devanagari official, Kethi historical, Mahajani historical, Nanda historical, Raman unofficial. साइन फॉर्म्स साइन हिंदी। आज मैंने आपको हिंदी के बारे में बताया। होप कि आपको वीडियो सही और अच्छी लगी हो। चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब। बाय बाय।